If a competitor is beating you in AI search, you need to know exactly how. So our platform lets you take one competitor apart step by step and study what's working for them. It starts with the leaderboard. The crown shows who owns each metric. Pick the one beating you, and instead of worrying about every competitor at once, you focus on the one that actually matters. Then you see which conversations do they own. Theme by theme, you stop guessing where you're losing ground and start actually seeing it. Go inside a theme and you find the exact prompts they win. Now your effort goes to specific questions and queries that you can take back, not a vague feeling that you're behind. Open one of these prompts and the platform hands you the moves to take it back, ranked by priority and by LLM engine. You leave with a plan, not just a picture of the problem. And if you want to know why they win, read the pages earning them those answers. Once you see what their content does, build something better and it stops being a guess. So pick one competitor, out-execute them. That's how share in AI search actually changes hands, not by watching the gap, but by closing it. The longer you wait, the more ground they take. Talk to our team, pick your competitor, and start closing the gap.